me, Captain Hook, and we are going on the Black Road tram ride. Not really the Black Road, just tar, but call it the Black Road. I don't know why. Okay, so, oh wow, I just noticed camera went down a little. Okay, there we go, that's better. I'm his Captain Hook. So, here we go. So here we got some trees, a black road, a crow, lake. Can't see it. Oh, whoa. Guy doing cool tricks on a bike, duck, a weird duck, goose. Man, this is the lowest form of comedy. Man, this is a boring video. Guys, I think that's really it for now, so, yeah. Let's go. I don't know. Oh no, we're gonna crash! Ah!